Got a standard Mercedes remote or key fob, whatever you want to call it, with a dead battery. Gonna show you how to replace it. Start with popping the key out of the hole. Start it a little bit with this. You can get it a little bit better opening here. Now you see it opens up. Little tiny screwdriver in between, and it comes right up. See, it's holding on this here. That's the battery. Just give it a good and the battery comes right out. This is a CR2025 battery. Goes back in again. There's a plus sign there, plus sign here, plus side up. Slides in like this. You just pop right on.